Let's talk about the step-by-step guides of Facebook ads, how you can create a Facebook ads, how you can launch your campaign. First step is to create the profile. Just you have to create a profile. Then after creating the profile, you have to sign up for the business manager. Under the business manager, just you have to verify your domain, whatever the domain and whatever the website you want to connect. After that, just you can connect your Facebook page on which your ad will be run. And at last, just you have to set up your Facebook ads manager, and then you can create your pixel. And then after doing these all things, the seventh step is the final step, like you can launch your Facebook ads. This is a step-by-step quick guide what are the things required to launch the Facebook ads. Let me show you step-by-step guide how you can create the Facebook ads, how you can launch your first campaign. So these are the things you have to do when you will launch the Facebook ad. First, you have to just go in the facebook.com and just you have to create a Facebook account. So these are the steps you have to follow when you are creating the ads. And this is a simple process. You can search in Google also, like, or even in the YouTube also, how you can create a Facebook profile. And once you have created the Facebook profile, you have to create the page. To creating the page, just you have to click on the small arrows on the top of the camera of Facebook, and then you have to create a home page. From that you can see the button of create page, and in that you have to click the things, and after that you can set up all the Facebook page creation things, like business and communication things, all the things what are the required for the page. You have to fill all the details and complete all your basic informations, like adding profile, adding cover pages, customize your page information, putting your website URL in that. So all the informations you can provide in the Facebook page, so that when the customer want to see, so it will give the authenticity for your brand and for your website. So you have to fill all the information. Just this is a simple process. Whatever the Facebook will, whatever the things you can fill, you have to complete all the Facebook requirement, like whatever the required for the Facebook page, complete all the things, even the single details, and don't miss it, because it will really impact your business also. So this is how you have to complete your Facebook page. Once it is completed, then after completing all the information, you can create the first post, or you can post something on your page. It can be like you can share some text, photos, videos, or even link. You can post it also. You have to engage with that page. It should not be empty, so that people will think it is created for just to for the spam things. So you have to post really good content on that. In the page setting, if you want to give role to the some other persons, like your teammates, so from that settings you can do also. Apart from that, like you have to maintain your posting regularly on your Facebook page, so that it will not look spammy and the authenticity of your page will increase. Now the next step will be the creating a business manager. So to create a business manager, you have to go on Facebook business manager. After that, just create an account, and you have to follow the process whatever the Facebook will say. You can see in this here also in this video, like how I'm creating the Facebook business manager. And just follow these step, and like whatever the Facebook will ask you, just follow that things, and by that you can simply create the Facebook business manager. Once the Facebook business manager have been created, what you have to do, like you have to follow the process to add your Facebook page on your business manager. In that, you will run your Facebook ad. So just you have to do the simple settings. In that, I have wrote here the steps, or you can check these videos also. I am doing these things, so that you will follow the steps and do all the activities with me, and you can connect your face with the business manager. So now the next step is that to creating the ads account or ad manager. So just to create the ads manager, you have to click these steps, and just you can check the videos what I am doing, and you can follow these steps also. So once the ad manager is created, you can join other team members also, so that they can run your ads also. So just follow these steps, and you will able to create your Facebook ads easily. So this is how you will create your business manager, ads manager, all the things. So now after setting your ads manager, let's talk about the next step. You have to follow the to verify your domain, because you want to run the ads for your website. So Facebook should know for which website you want to run that, because usually Facebook algorithm will crawl down your website and see like is there any fake policies and is there. So you have to follow the Facebook policies also. So before that, like, you have to verify your domain. How you will verify your domain? Just you have to open a business manager, then on the business setting you have to click on the brand safety navigation, or you can check these videos also. In that you will see start domain verification. Just you have to enter your domain name, and then you will find the HTML code or DNS verification code. Just you have to put these just you have to put these code in your GearLaunch website, and then from that you have to click on the verified domain. So this is how you will verify your domain. So this is how you have to verify your domain. And once your domain will get verified, just the next step is that the next step is that the ownership, like you can assign your ownership here to own, like you are the owner of the domain. So this activity you can do, and this thing you can check in the videos also. I'm doing these steps so that you will see how you can verify your ads. Once your domain get verified, then only you have to create the pixel. So now let's talk